And during the time we wait for the blueberries to cook up with the sugar and the milk, we take some Jägermeister. Jägermeister is amazing when you're out in the forest. It tastes so good. I see two beautiful reindeers just here. I must film them for you. It's a big horn. It's a big reindeer male. The water felt under 10 degrees Celsius. It really hurt my legs. I have been out now in the wilderness, and you really need to change clothes and clean yourself up sometimes, because you feel so much better inside and outside. Even if it's really cold, you really need to take a bath. Doesn't matter. But if it's really cold outside, I go to a lake or something and I cook up some water. And if I don't want to swim that time, I cook up some water in my gas stove. And then I just clean myself up with this warm water. If you really don't want to go into the water. The wind makes it so terrible when you come up from the water. But if it's not so windy, you can go into the water even if it's in November. The wind is so terrible when you come up. Yeah, I'm really up north of Sweden now. But it's far, far away for the most north place. And I find this amazing spot in Skåland in Jämtland. But I love the nature up here. It's amazing nature up in north of Sweden. It's so wild. Now I'm just find this amazing spot in middle of nowhere. Just in middle of the forest. You have this amazing resting place. This lake here. This wind protection shelter here. The table there. Hello and welcome to the Swedish Globetrotter's favorite dish. When I'm out there in the forest, I love to make pancake. And today we're going to do pancake with new plucked blåbär. I went out to the forest yesterday and picked up these amazing blueberries. Mix it with sugar there. That's the dessert. In this plastic bottle I have Jägermeister. Okay, what you need when you do pancakes, as most of the people know: butter, milk, salt, sugar, eggs and flour that I have here. This is my measure tool. Okay, 7 of this. And then milk. In this bowl, around a half liter milk. to do pancakes outside. That's the most amazing food you can eat. My father taught me this when I was a kid. He always did pancakes out in the forest. And the taste and the smell of it, it's so amazing. Put in some salt. I do it with my höft, as we say it in Sweden. No measurement tool when you're out in the wilderness. And then you take the eggs. I always have 3 eggs, so you get a really good pancake. And now you just whip it. Is it called that in English? Whip? Whip it? Going to be amazing. And now put this on the side so it's going to be swallow up a little bit. Now I'm going to melt some butter. Okay, light up the gas stove. And now the butter is melt and we put it in the bowl. I use around 1 deciliter melting butter. It's going to be more frasigare pannkakor, more frasiger. It's going to be more frasiga pannkakor. Become more crispy pancakes if you have butter in the smet. Okay, I put this at the side a little bit, because I like it when it stands for like 10 minutes. The smet, the dough, what you call it, is becoming more thicker and better when the ingredients go together there. Okay, now we go for the blueberries. I just cleaned this up yesterday and put it in the cooler. This is one thing I should do yesterday, so the sugar go into the berries more, and hit the sugar. I do this, and then I hit some milk inside it, and then we turn on the gas stove again. And we can prepare the frying pan. Put some butter in the stekpanna frying pan. Take a little bit to cook the blueberries, and during the time we wait for the blueberries to cook up with the sugar and the milk, we take some Jägermeister. Jägermeister is amazing when you're out in the forest. It tastes so good. cheers. Cheers. Oh, everything tastes so good outside. Like a pipe, I never smoke a pipe at home, but when I'm sitting like this, I do it. I see two beautiful reindeers just here. I must film them for you. It's a big horn. It's a big reindeer male. That was a magic moment. Oh, I love it when you're meeting animals in the forest, eye to eye with a reindeer like this. Oh, it's so great. You really feel you are one with the nature moments like this. And now we go for the pancake. And when the butters become quiet, it's ready to steak, ready to fry. Steak, ready to fry. You can't do it inside, I think. We do one more. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. I have a woodpecker in the tree here. And now the pancake is ready. Cheers. Oh yeah. I hope you liked this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so. And hit the bell button so you don't miss anything. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Bye bye from Skåland in Jämtland.